Chopped cheeseburger egg rolls. Let's get straight to it.
So you want to add in your oil, not too much, just enough to cover the bottom so that way the food doesn't stick. You want to go ahead and add in our diced onions. You're going to get you one whole large onion. You're going to dice that up. It's going to be the only prep. So you just want to cook these down until they become translucent. All right, so once it starts to caramelize and becomes translucent, you're just going to leave a little space and we're going to add in our ground beef. This is about 1 pound of ground beef. Remember, we're cooking this over medium heat. Go ahead and add your seasoning to the mix. I will have the seasons listed in the description box, so don't worry, I got you. Sprinkle that on the top. So you just want to break down the ground beef as it cooks. You want to cook it until it's completely brown. Just mix them all in together. All right, so once the meat is fully cooked through just like this, we're going to go ahead and add us some sharp cheddar cheese, but as much as your heart desires. And you're just going to fold it in there. You could turn the heat off for this part. And there you have it. We're just going to place this to the side, let it cool down, and we're going to go ahead and start our sauce. I'm going to show you guys how to make that sauce that you saw in the beginning. All right, so for the sauce, you're going to add you half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. You can use a teaspoon of garlic paste, or you can use garlic powder. It's really up to you. Garlic paste is just a little bit more fresher option. Pepper and salt. And you're gonna do that to taste. And there you have it. You guys gotta try this sauce out. This sauce is banging. All right, now that we're done with our sauce, we're gonna go ahead and set up our egg roll station. So in order to have your egg roll station set up, this is what it looks like. You wanna make sure you have your egg rolls. And here's other methods, but I use water to seal my egg rolls. I know it's like some type of egg wash or something that most people use, but you're safe with water. I've made plenty of egg rolls using water. All right, let's get to it. Add your cheese. You're gonna add in your egg roll mix. You're just gonna take your finger and you're going to, I usually just do it this way. I just wipe water around the edge. This part is tedious. Just do not try to rush this process, because if you've never rolled egg rolls before, this part can be the most frustrating. Seal the sides. Just want to make sure those sides are closed too. You don't want none seeping out that side. And again, you just want to roll it. You can make them bigger than this. I'm just trying to stretch them. You should get about 10 to 12 egg rolls using this recipe. All right, and finally, this is the last one. As you can see, I used all of the meat. All right, so as you can see, I got 10 egg rolls exactly. So we're gonna put this to the side and we're gonna go ahead and start our oil. Now, if you want to air fry these, you can. All you have to do is just brush it with some olive oil all around, and you can place them in the air fryer. Same thing with the oven. If you have a pan that's just like this, I would suggest not to put it on a regular pan. I have a divider between the pan, like a separation rack, just so that that oil can drip and it won't seep in and make the egg roll soggy. All right, so for those who may not have a thermometer to be able to temp the oil, this is one way that I use to figure out if the oil is hot enough. What you wanna do is take you a wooden spoon, you're just gonna take the back of it and you're gonna stick it inside the oil. If you see bubbles forming around the spoon, that's how you know that the oil is ready. Once you see this, the bubbles forming, you're good to go. Your oil is hot, and now we can add in our egg rolls. I'm gonna place them in there. Gotta leave a little space in between. You're gonna cook this in batches. Now guys, you do wanna make sure that you stay close. You don't wanna move too far away because this cooks very fast. You wanna keep rotating them around. It's okay to rotate them around right away. Don't let nobody else tell you differently. When you're cooking in a skillet, it's a lot different than when you're deep frying them. You don't have to play with them as much in the deep fryer. I still do, but you don't have to. All right, and once they're golden brown like this, you're just gonna take it and you're going to place it on your cooking rack. All right, your egg rolls should be just like this, golden, dark golden, and very crispy, as you can hear. And there you have it, guys. Chopped cheeseburger egg rolls with my homemade dipping sauce. Make sure you guys comment in the comment box below what you think about this recipe. Until next time, peace.